this is Vrushali and you're watching Vrusharaj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to perform one interesting activity, science activity. As we all of us know that science is amazing subject and full of amazing activities, full of amazing reactions. So in this video, we are going to perform one interesting activity. So what is that activity? Why we are going to perform that? What is the conclusion of that? That I will tell you after performing this activity. For this, I have taken few things here. You can see something here on this table. I have taken 3 glasses. I have taken transparent glasses so that you can see clearly what I am pouring in this glass, what I am adding in this each glass. So that should be visible clearly. So we have taken 3 transparent glasses. Now here in this first dish, I have taken salt, our common salt, cooking salt. In this second dish, there is garden soil. Just I have taken the soil from our garden. And here in this third dish, there is milk. 2-3 spoons of milk I have taken here. And here is water. So first what I will do, I will add water in all these 3 glasses. Okay, now water is poured in all these 3 glasses. So now in this first glass, I will add 1 spoon of salt. We'll add a little bit more. Salt is added in this first glass. In this second glass, I will add this soil. Okay, soil is added here. And in this third glass, we have added here 1 spoon milk. Now I will stir all these 3 solutions. I will stir. Here what we have added? We have added salt. Let's stir this. Okay, salt is dissolved. Now let's stir this. Let's see whether we are able to dissolve this soil or no. Oh my God. We get a colorful solution here. Muddy solution. Now here, let us stir this milk. Now what do we find in these 3 glasses? In this first glass, okay, we added salt. Do we find any particles of salt here? Can we see the particles of salt in this glass? No, not at all. Salt is completely dissolved in this water. Or we can say the particles of salt have become so small that they are invisible to our naked eyes. We cannot see the particles of salt here. And we know actually the salt dissociates when we dissolve it in water. Now let us come to this next solution. Here we can see the particles of soil here in this solution. See, I will once again stir and I will show you. We can easily see the particles. See, we can see the particles in this solution. Visible particles. Okay, we can easily see the particles in this soil. Here the particles of soil, they won't get dissolved in this water. We can see the particles here. And what about this milk? Here, okay, milk is not completely dissolved like this. We don't get the clear solution like how we get the salt solution. Here we get the milky white solution here. Okay, the particles of milk are present in this solution and they are neither too small to get the clear solution and not too big like this soil particles so that they are clearly visible to our eyes. No, they are not visible. So here we have 3 different types of solution. The first one, where the particles become so small and we get the clear solution like this. This is called as homogeneous solution. Such solutions in which the particles completely dissolve properly and they become so small that they are almost invisible to our naked eyes. Such clear solutions are called as homogeneous solution. Then here, where the particles do not dissolve properly, okay, we don't get the uniform clear solution here. Such solutions are called as heterogeneous solutions. They are called as heterogeneous solutions. See, we can see the particles clearly here. And here, the particles are neither too small like homogeneous solution nor too big like the heterogeneous solution. Such solutions are called as colloids. Such solutions are called as colloids. Colloids play a very important role in our life. There are many colloids which we come across in our daily life. I would like to make one interesting video on these colloids. Okay, what are actually colloids, how they are formed, and what is its importance in our daily life, what are the different things which we use in our daily life which are actually colloids. So I would like to make one different video on these colloids. So hope this three difference is clear. At the end of this video, I will display one note regarding the points of this homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution and colloids, so that the concept becomes quite clear to you. So as I said, science is really amazing subject, full of such amazing activities, and as and when possible I try to upload different activities on my YouTube channel, that is Vrishu Classes. So to get the regular updates of such interesting videos, please do subscribe our channel, and please don't forget to share these interesting activities with your friends. So my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.